Alright YouTube, I'm Jerry and I don't know about you, but I'm a big fan of car audio. And sometimes people come to me for car audio. So in this episode, what happened was Wayne came to me with his old Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This thing is huge. It's one of them big American things. And basically it had no audio in it at all. But he wanted it to be show quality, loud, get some attention, and just fun, really. It's one of them hydro jumping around things, which is quite cool. So it's something that I haven't actually done before. But I've got a couple of ideas and we sort of put it together. So this video is basically a build blog of what happened with the Monte Carlo. So you'll see it at the beginning, you'll see it at the end, you'll see some of the stuff that I did in the middle. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. And if you want something like this done, and you're sort of in the Norfolk, Suffolk-y area in the UK, feel free to contact me, and it's something that we can sort out in the future. So, buckle up and get ready for the video. So, start of the build. Here we go. This is the door. These things are absolutely massive, and as you can see, no speaker in it at all. These are the original speakers, I believe, like some Bose. Not sure what size they are, but I'm pretty sure they've had it because they've been in there forever. So first things, take the door cards off, take the parcel shelf out. Nice bit of wood for the door. Time to make some speaker rings. So we're going to put two speakers right next to each other. We're using some Focal 4-inch coaxial speakers for this build. There we go, there's both doors with the speaker rings. So you get the idea of how it's all going to sit. Time for a bit of stretch fabric over the top so we can fiberglass them to make all of those curves really nice and smooth. So we're going to do the same thing with the parcel shelf. Make some speaker rings. Silicone them in place, ready for the fiberglass, and then this is what they look like after the fiberglass, all nice and smooth. Bit of carpet over the top and a nice little pocket in the middle as well. There we go, carpet over everything, everything's smooth, everything's fiberglassed. Soundproofing on the back, of course, to stop that rattling when he's playing and stop some of that road noise as well. And now we've got it on the door, got some wires in there, and then chuck some speakers in it. So parcel shelf is in, all the wires are in as well, ready for those speakers to go in. And then he had this Unity Lowrider sign that we kind of wanted to make a little place for that to sit, so I made a little clamp. This is the amp. Amp sits underneath the stereo. This was originally for some 6x9, so I had to cut these out to cover the holes, so it looks like that. Much nicer and smoother than it was before. Sub box time. We went for a sealed box for this. This is a 12-inch edge sub. Went for a sealed box as well, so it's 2.2 cubic foot, all made out of 18mm MDF. We've got resin on the inside as well, just to make sure it's nice and sealed. Added some foam in there as well, just to make it a little bit softer. We had to take all of the hydraulics out to fit it in, put the side covers on, get the amp on, get the sub in, bang, everything's wired up. There we go. Right, time to wire up all the front. We used a whole load of 70mm. It's just going everywhere really. We've got those are the two fuses that go to the back. Then we've got the battery that he had in. There's some upgraded wiring from the alternator, and then this is the wire run going in front of the radiator. This now goes over to the second battery right there. And it's finished. What a huge car. It's really nice though. Showtime. So we went to Festival of Wheels in Ipswich, Trinity Park. There we go. Some lowrider hopping around. It's really awesome that. Cool. So thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. And like I said at the beginning, if you're in Norfolk and Suffolk and you want something like this or any audio in anything doing, feel free to contact me.